Hi everybody, welcome back to Tampredix. This is yet another reading. Today I'm doing angel cards because since morning I'm seeing angel numbers, synchronicities. I've been doing my readings and every time I've been checking my phone or otherwise and I'm seeing repeating numbers. We also call them repeating numbers. All repeating numbers are different. So if you're seeing 2 2 or 2 to 2, they all have different meanings, guys. So whenever there's synchronicity in your phone or anywhere else, you are probably you see a card number, a license plate or whatever. If the numbers are repeating, so they are your guiding angels giving you messages. Those are your spirit guides. Those are also people who your loved ones who've passed away and want to get in touch with you. Like I always say, our angels are around us and our loved ones are around us if they haven't moved to another plane. And a lot of times they want to give us messages, but they don't want to scare you. They don't want to, because if they're around you and suddenly you cannot hear voices, and if you hear voices, you will get scared. So usually they leave certain hints around, or they talk to you through numbers, music. If you have a problem and there is a music, there is a number, a song that plays in your head, or you hear that music in the radio or whatever, you watch it on TV. Probably those are that's your guiding message that your loved one is giving you, or your spirit guide is giving you, or your angels are giving you. So today I'm doing angel cards. I really wanted to do angel cards because I was picking up that energy. So let's see what are the cards, and I'm just using two decks, and I'm going to keep shuffling between these. I'm going to keep moving between these two decks, and I want to see what messages are there for you. So the first message is spiritual path, and it's come reversed. A lot of you want to find your spiritual path, but you do not have a life purpose. The angels are saying whoever are getting pushed towards choosing a path in their life are getting interested in this work or a spiritual path is actually attracting them. So I think you need to. It is now the right time to move on to a spiritual path. Now I'm going to use the other deck, and I'm going to keep switching between these two decks. Right after that, the message came retreat. You need to spend time alone. You need to you need to feel peaceful. It's almost trying to find your own path is what I get. And it says to block out distractions, spend quiet time alone as that so that you can focus on your priorities. So maybe your priority is a spiritual path, and you need to retreat from your daily life, from your daily routine that's very busy, and you need to know how to actually go on that spiritual path. So those were the first two messages. Let's see what is the other message. There is spiritual protection, so angels are telling you the right thing. So I'm talking to people who really wanted to hear this message, who actually are you know uh, wanting to get away from the materialistic world. Yes, we understand that we all have a family, we have our responsibilities, and we have come on earth to fulfill our responsibilities. But also there's another side that keeps putting us on a different path, and there is a calling for all of us. Like we always say, what is my life purpose? What is the what is something different that I need to do for humans, for animals, or for planet Earth, or for anybody, to help the needy or the poor, or probably teach without money. So there is, or to be spiritually awakened. I feel a lot of you also want to be spiritually awakened, and it's always, this tide is almost started in your heart, and you want to go on that path, and there is an awakening. So you are also going to a higher plane, a different plane, and you're also vibrating with the and with your ascended masters, or probably your guiding angels or archangels, and probably there is you trying to connect to a higher vibration is what I get. Let me see what is Archangel Gabriel giving you, what message. It says keep going. So I'm switching between these two cards, like I said. So it's validating from one deck to the other deck, and it's like saying that why don't you keep going on that path, and there are people to show you the way. There is this person almost in your life, or somebody around you, who's going to help you and put you on the right path. Let's see what is this message, the third message. Divine intervention. Guys, this is a story, and this is actually the right video to do, because that's why I was feeling that these messages have to be delivered to people who need that little nudge, or need to hear these messages that they are on the right path. So there will be divine intervention. You'll also feel that something is really calling out to you. Probably yeah, I don't know what religion you follow, or what spiritual path you want to take, or what guru you believe in, or what god do you believe in. So whoever you believe in, probably you'll be seeing dreams. I also did this video because a lot of people I was talking to, and myself also, I'm seeing a lot of feathers. So feathers are also from angels. They are hints when they want you to listen to them, or they want you to listen to the the instinct, your instinct, or if they want to listen, they want you to listen to your inner voice. So I also think there will be divine intervention, and God will put you on the right path. And I'm going to read out this message to you. It says God sends miracles to answer sincere prayers. If you've been really praying to God that what is my life purpose and what am I doing here, sometimes this question is a very simple question, but it is the most difficult to answer, and not a lot of people receive this answer ever in their life. They're always confused about their life purpose and they don't find out the answers. But I think if you've been praying to God hard enough, and God will intervene and will give you the right answers. So let's see what Archangel Gabriel wants to say. Law of attraction. It says if you put positive vibrations out in the universe, you will receive positive, and if you put negative out in the universe, you will receive negative. So you do not have to think that I cannot do it. You will attract that back from the universe. Like I always say, like a boomerang comes back. So you need to say positive thoughts. You need to think positively. You also have to tell yourself that again and again, that yes, I'm on the right path and I will be put on the right path by divine intervention, and if I listen to my voice and I awaken myself to being connected to higher vibrations. So that's another message to you, for you guys. Let me see what is the other message. And it says wellness. Some of you are feeling much better and have been recovering from an illness, and the angels are helping you recover, or you feel, you feel much better. I don't know, when you're watching this video, a lot of you have recovered from something that you weren't feeling good about, and you're feeling much better, and like I said, recovered. And I want to read out this message also. The recovery of health and wellness is here. So this is also a message that probably if you weren't being feeling well, just turn to God and just pray, and things will be right for you. I get a lot of green energy, I get a lot of gold energy in this. I don't know if you've been working with crystals, if a lot of you like green or like gold. So this is a message for you guys. It says agent or manager. You don't need to put anybody in between God. That's what I get. And pray to God. You don't need to go to anybody to let. It's like, asking somebody to help you understand your life path. I think God is in direct contact with you. Your angels are in direct contact with you, and you will feel that. You will see feathers. I see. Yeah, you will feel. I want to say feathers strewn around. I was getting a twist of my tongue was twisting, and I probably wanted to deliver a different message, because that's what happens when I'm trying to deliver another message. So this is you don't need anybody in between, guys. You are in direct contact with your ascended masters, yogis, or gurus, or whoever you believe in whichever God, like I said, and you just have to believe in a higher power. That's what I get. Stress reduction. Try to reduce stress. When you try to do when you try sorry, there's a lot of light here. When you try to reduce stress is the time that when you're going to rise, when you're going to meet your the new self, or the person or the person that will take you to a spiritual path. You have to change yourself a bit, and I feel unless you reduce stress, you will not stress. I don't know why I said strength. All my messages are channeled, so you need to have that strength also, because it's not an easy path to go with. You've got to help people. There's a lot of energy spent. Like I have to spend a lot of energy, and I work with energies, guys, and you feel drained. But this is your path, and you need all the strength, and you need to strengthen yourself. Or probably you're weak right now in some way. So a lot of times, if we are weak, we attach or negative energies attached to us, get attracted to us. So always be strong. And if you're strong, you will not attract negative energy ever. Let's see what the other card is, what Archangel Gabriel is trying to say to this. It says speeches and speaking. Please speak out what you feel always. You will always feel better. Don't keep it inside yourself. Speak the truth. Stand for justice. Also, that's what you meant to do. You need to fight for people. This is what I get. You also need to give a voice to the voiceless. Don't be a voice for people who already have a voice in the society. Work for people who actually need to have a voice. It could be working for animals or anybody. So maybe that's your life purpose, and that's what Archangel Gabriel wants you to know. It says ready to love again. So a lot of people who weren't feeling loved or couldn't love other people and said that, I don't feel complete, or I don't feel loved, or there's no love left in me, what will I do for other people? You need to love yourself, and you're ready to give love to other people. It's also caring for children probably who are orphans. I want to especially give this message. Kids who are in orphanages, and there is nobody to love them. I also feel that you have this energy of going to, you want to help children. And I don't know why I just say, I want to say that some of you have adopted a child, or you going to think about adopting a child, or you've just signed papers, or you this idea just came. Sorry, the AC is on and the air is coming on me. So I feel one of you is going to adopt a child. Are you going to work with kids in an orphanage? That's a big message that I'm getting. Let's see if my message is validated. I'm going to just pull out a card. It says, it's gratitude. It says you attract more blessings when you appreciate your current blessings. So maybe you have to appreciate who you are, what you are, wherever you are, and the things that you have. You got to appreciate that. Instead of you always want more. It says probably you have everything that you require, and you need to keep moving. You need to move on to fulfill your spiritual path. Is what I get. Balancing masculine and feminine energies. So you have the strength, and you have the whatever you have, the right amount of masculinity or the femininity, being feminine, or being strong, or whatever, from having strengths of both the sexes is what I get. That whatever you need, you have it in you, and you were born to help people. So that's a big message, guys. Let's see what Archangel Gabriel wants to say. Motivation. You have to motivate yourself. Nobody's going to come from outside, and you don't need anybody's help. Like I said, you don't need agents, or you don't need a manager, you don't need anybody to tell you that you are on the right path. You have to tell yourself that you're on the right path, and I think you have to keep going, keep motivating yourself, and you will fulfill whatever your life purpose is, or you will know what your life purpose is, guys. Deep emotional healing. Please heal yourself before you start. You take on that spiritual path, and I think a lot of emotional healing is required, because you're going to be working with people, you're going to be working with animals, you're going to be working with nature. So unless you are healed, it's very difficult to heal others. So deep emotional healing is required before you begin your journey. Is the message I get. Stay true to yourself. So don't change yourself. Just be who you are. Don't become somebody else. And you are strong, and you all that inner power or inner strength that you want to start something new. You have everything, and I don't know. I get this again, that the angels are with you. So just listen to them. Just be who you are and be yourself, and you will be on the right path. So I'm just going to close. I just want to give two more messages, and I want to give lucky colors. I also want to give the number of the day. I don't know why am I getting that, and I am getting five again and again, because I've been seeing five. I saw five a lot of times today, and I have this feeling of saying that five is going to be your lucky number. So maybe you're going to see a 555, a 55, or five, or something to do with like five members, five people running a business. Fifth, or probably could be 5th June, or something to do with fifth month would be important for you. Spiritual or religious community. So also, like I said, you don't need agents, but you need people. You need to join people who think like you. Okay. And when people think like you, so you're going to join a community, you're going to feel better. They are going to tell you what is to be done. And I also feel that God will actually put you in a path where you will get together with like-minded people. Suddenly somebody will come into your life, and you'll realize that you always wanted to do what that person was doing, and you will meet your community of very like-minded people. And I think that's going to happen soon, and the angels are bringing you, attracting you towards that path. And I also feel that you will see a lot of white light. And whenever you see a lot of white light, like a strobe or a orb around you, so you should know that the angels are around you, guys. So this is my last message. I'm just taking the last card up, and I'm going to tell you what it says. Pay attention to your dreams. Your dreams are taking you there. I told you there is a feather that's attracting me, or I've been seeing feathers. So there are two feathers here, guys, and I've been talking about feathers for 2 days. A lot of clients that I've been doing personal readings for are talking about feathers. I really wanted to give this message. So pay attention to your dreams. Your angels are going to come to your dreams. They're going to put you on the right path. They're going to drop hints to you. They're going to tell you where to go, where to meet people, or which community you're going to join, or what is your life purpose. So if you need to help children, probably you see a lot of children, or whatever, or probably animals, or anything that you need. Whatever you need, whatever you think your life purpose is, or your spiritual path is, and what you need to do. Or you could be a healer, and or you're a light worker, or you could be a star seed. So this is the right time to awaken yourself. So maybe your angels are here to say that now that your stress is reduced, now that you're thinking positive, and now that you know that there is a calling for you, and you are hearing that calling, and that's a very strong feeling in you. So they will tell you what to do in what to do further, or how to go about it, or how. And suddenly you'll be put in your spiritual path, and you won't even know. It will be so effortless, guys. And you'll be pushed towards that path, like it happened with me. And it just happened so effortlessly. I didn't understand that I have to be a light worker, I have to heal people. But I always had a psychic ability. I was always a medium, which I didn't understand, and it scared me as a child. But now, when I understand it, I know how many people I have to help, and I've helped so many people and put them on the right path and guided them, and it feels really nice. So, guys, I wanted to do this special reading, especially for you guys, and I'm telling you, five is a special number today, because I just saw the time. It was 55, and it was 15:50 something. So I've been seeing 555 whenever I've been talking today. I've been noticing a five. And thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment, because I read all the comments. And I'll be back tomorrow with another reading. And thank you so much for all your patience. Good night, guys. Good night.